Which one are you gonna get?
I like the blue ones. I might get the green.
US Open, it's me. The white's kind of sick on it too. That was easy.
Do we have any idea what we're doing? Not a clue. All right. Whoa!
How long has it been since you played tennis?
About 2 years, maybe
2 years?
3.
Were you good then?
Nope.
No? Are you better now?
No.
No.
She gone.
She gone.
Bang, bang, baby.
What you know about bang?
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
Whoa. Where we at? Hit it!
Nice.
Oh my god, I almost twisted my ankle. Really? Oh, yeah. I can't wait to see that. Yeah.
Damn it. Man down.
Washed up badly.
Washed up.
Oh my god, I cannot believe this happened. I can't wait to see that on video.
Let me see.
Too hard.
Ooh, do it again. One more time.
I'm dead.
Here we go, people. Dramatic B-roll. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay. Sick.